Okay, ready for the main course now. Let's have a look. Some sort of like a spicy beef, chili beef. Some sweet and sour kind of sauce. Some peanuts, some sesame dressing, sort of shredded courgettes. Some like a crunchy shredded salad with carrots and beetroot, cavolo nero, loads of herbs, and then a kind of garnish of spring onions and chilli. So first thing I'm going to do is get the beef into the oven. The oven's already on, about 180, 190. So we'll just chuck that in like that. Then we're just going to see if we can get that sizzling nice and hot. Now, next thing is going to be mixing the salad. So all of our salad. And then our courgettes that are in lemon juice and sesame oil already. And then our soy and sesame dressing, which will then sprinkle over. Okay, and then just get your hands in. Give it a good toss until it's all coated. And the next thing we're going to warm up our sweet and sour. So we just empty that into our pan. Let it bubble for just a couple of minutes. So our beef is looking quite nice. Beef is nice and sort of crispy coloured and sizzling, and that's just nice and bubbly and sticky. Take our beef, put it in the sauce, put it back on a very low heat, coat all that sweet and sour around it. Yeah, it's going to look something like that. I think it looks pretty nice. Right, so we're going to mound up our salad. Plenty of this. Get our delicious beef. Pile it up. To finish them, we're going to go with our chilli and spring onion mix. Plenty of that to go on top. And then finally, plenty of peanuts.